OpenAI's Sora is gone, but Google is filling the void with its own AI-powered video generation function called Gemini Omni. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google debuted Gemini Omni at I/O 2026, a tool for creating AI-generated video clips from your existing photos, selfies, or videos. In a demo, Google's AI chief Demis Hassabis showed how you can use the new AI model to drastically change your surroundings while taking a video of yourself. This might include placing yourself on Mars, in a lush forest, or adding a disco ball in the background. Omni isn't just an AI filter, it represents a step to build a world designed according to real-world physics. This enables it to create realistic-looking videos across a wide variety of styles and topics. In another demo, Hassabis showed Omni can create an educational video using claymation, breaking down scientific concepts for kids. Google's already made the Omni Flash model available through the Gemini app, Google Flow, and on YouTube Shorts. But to use that, you'll need a paid subscription through Google AI Plus, Pro, or Ultra. However, users on YouTube Shorts and YouTube Create app will get access this week at no extra cost. The feature comes after OpenAI officially discontinued both the Sora app and web last month to use the company's AI computing power for other projects. Sora faced plenty of controversy and legal action over the technology, creating AI-generated videos featuring characters from popular franchises and dead celebrities. But Google's framing Omni as a tool to reimagine your own personal photos or videos by adding fictional AI elements. Still, this could also unleash tons of deepfakes that could fool the public. Google says that all videos created with Omni include our imperceptible synth ID digital watermark. Plus, you can easily verify that videos were created with Gemini Omni through the Gemini app, Gemini in Chrome, and Google Search. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.